Are you an affiliate marketer looking for a free and effective way to promote your products? If so, you should check out Quora Spaces. This is no BS guide about how to use Quora Space for affiliate marketing. Before we start, I want to make it clear that you should watch the whole video before trying to implement the strategies I'm going to share. If you only watch half of the video and try to do this, you could get banned from Quora. Quora Spaces is a platform that allows you to create and share communities around your niche. This is a great way to connect with potential customers and drive traffic to your affiliate offers. Now you will say, Quora don't allow you to add URLs. So that's why we create our own Quora Space. Also, with Quora Space we have to generate content. Back in the day, it was too hard to engage and create content. But now we have AI tools like Google Bard and ChatGPT, so we can easily generate content. Let's get started. Step 1. Create a Quora Space. The first step is to create a Quora Space. To do this, simply log into your Quora account and click on the Create a Space button and enter a name and description for your space. Step 2. Choose your space name and description. When choosing a name for your space, make sure it is relevant to your niche and easy to remember. Your description should also be clear and concise, and it should highlight the value that your space will provide to potential members. You can easily create a logo with Canva. Step 3. Leverage existing affiliate product research. Before you start promoting affiliate products in your Quora Space, you need to do your research and find products that are a good fit for your audience. I already created a video about the way to find good affiliate products on Digistore24. Step 4. Utilize Linktree as a landing page. Do not directly add an affiliate URL to your Quora Space. You can use the Linktree landing page to promote affiliate URLs. Or use URL shortener. I'll create a step-by-step video about set up a Linktree account in the next video. Step 5. Engage with the Quora community. Once you've created your Quora Space and Linktree landing page, it's time to start engaging with the Quora community. We mainly focus on answering the questions. Basically, you create the question on your Quora Space and you give an answer to that question. In that question, you blend your affiliate product URL. Actually, AI will do it for you. Go to ChatGPT and command it to give questions that people ask on Google related to your affiliate product or niche. Copy those questions one by one that generated by ChatGPT, then paste the question and tell ChatGPT to write an answer to the question and give your Linktree URL to blend it with the answer. Then go to Quora and paste the question, and add the answer. Step 6. Warnings and analyze results. Okay, now here is the part that you must follow. Do not add too many times your affiliate link on the answer. Just add one link per answer. Do not only share your affiliate URL, always share value while sharing the link. Also, do this daily. Add 10 questions, with one post per day to your Quora Space. It's important to monitor the performance of your Quora Space and track the traffic that is being driven to your affiliate offers. This will help you determine which types of content are resonating with your audience and make adjustments to your strategy as needed. Here is the no BS guide to do affiliate marketing with Quora Space. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, comment, and share the video. I plan to create 3 videos per week on affiliate marketing, so be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of them.